Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I am here to explain you about Marni store reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including Dream Super Locker, white makeup, vanity dressing table, copper pots and pans set, children's helicopter bed, double sofa bed and swing chair, etc. And if you want to visit the product category list, then you can just scroll the website's homepage. Apart from that, in the menu option button, they have provided the product category including furniture, home, shoes, Christmas, appliance. But when you'll check out the particular product category, you will not find anything on this section. Now, talking about the payment information of this website, let's check out the payment info. Guys, I would like to inform you that this website is not mobile friendly. You need to check out the website on your desktop, and after checking it, you will find the payment information, and they have mentioned that they can accept PayPal and credit card. Now, talking about shipping policy, guys, again you need to visit the FAQ section and shipping policy section. So as this website is not mobile friendly, we can't analyze the shipping policy page here, but yes, according to our study, we have found that they have mentioned international delivery usually takes about 20 business days. And apart from that, guys, they have mentioned that after processing and leaving the warehouse, items usually take between 15 to 35 business days. However, guys, in the FAQ section, they have mentioned that average shipping time is about 7 to 10 working days, and your tracking number will be updated within 3 to 7 days. So this was about the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So guys, the site is protected through HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 21st of January 2021. Yes guys, and according to our study, the website is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy, as this is a newly launched website. This particular site is 2 days old website. So we can't trust on it easily. And talking about us details, so guys, you need to visit the about us page. And yes, you can find information related to offerings, but they have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, which is not a good sign. And same guys, talking about contact details, they have not provided any contact details including the contact number and official address. They have provided an email address which is a normal Gmail ID and which does not matches with the domain name. So again, this is a bad sign, guys. And yes, talking about social media presence, they have provided various social media icons including Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc. But the site has no social media presence at all, as when you'll check out the social media icons link, you will be redirected to the return policy of this website. So guys, this site is not mobile friendly, so we can't show you the exact pages, as we can see the entire web pages at the desktop. And apart from that, talking about return policy, guys, the website has mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Marni store reviews, we didn't find any customer reviews about this site on the internet, which is a negative sign. And this site has an unknown trustworthiness score, as this is a newly launched website which seems to be not much popular online. So guys, the site has too low traffic to judge its legitimacy, and this site is too new to define its legitimacy. So in the final conclusion, I would say or we would say you need to wait for some time to define this website's legitimacy, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, because we can't claim this website legit. So wait for some time, guys, and make a wise decision. For money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.